Okay, so how can you go ahead and record high quality videos with your iPhone? The very first way would be to just clean the cameras. Obviously, let's get the basics out of the way. But then you can either use the built-in camera, which can be managed to get some really nice videos, but you might also want to get something else, which I'm going to get to in just a second. But essentially, using the built-in camera, when you go to the video mode, make sure to get the best results by updating or upgrading the video settings. So in case you are in HD, make sure to go to 4K. Obviously, better resolution is going to end up in better quality of the videos overall. And also you can play around with the frame rate, which is kind of subjective. Some people say that 24 or 30 is much more professional than 60 FPS, but that is up to you and up to your definition of high quality video. So go ahead and do that. Also, cinematic mode, in case you have it available, this makes the very nice effect of focusing on the subject and blurring the background, just like a professional DSLR. So go ahead and decide in case you want to use it, and let's give it a shot and see if it's for you or not. Also, the other thing I wanted to get to is to use another third-party camera app. And I know what you're thinking, there are plenty of them out there which require to be purchased, or you need a subscription for them or whatever. But there is one from Apple which I quite like. It's a Final Cut camera. As you know, Final Cut is the video editor on iPads and Macs, but Apple recently came out with the camera, which if you open it up, you can access the same stuff apparently as the iPhone's actual camera, but with much more customization. For starters, we have the sound waves or sounds indicator. You have all of the manual settings that you can switch in between the lenses. You can also manually adjust the exposure, shutter speed. You can set anything to be a manual. You can also adjust the white balance. Autofocus can be switched to manual focus, and you can decide which part of the video is going to be focused at. You also have other features like focus peaking, which essentially just like highlights the stuff that is focused on. You can see right here we have the focus peaking, we have the overexposure indicator, so plenty of cool stuff to record the best quality videos, right? So right now you can see we have the little green indicator. That's our focus peaking. When we zoom out or unfocus, it's no longer green. So using this indicator, you know that you are focusing on your subject. And also overexposure can be managed very nicely as well, as you can, for example, make the video bright and you get the indicator that you can see that some areas are just overexposed. So I'm not gonna drag the video any longer than it needs to be, but I believe that these tools, these camera tricks are definitely gonna be helpful in your purpose of or goals of achieving high quality video on your iPhone. So hope you like this video, hit the thumbs up, let me know down below what you think about it, and I will catch you later on in the future.